How to fix your TikTok notifications. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to fix your TikTok notifications easy and quick. So easily, first thing, go to your TikTok, and once you are in your profile, click on those three lines up there and click on setting and privacy. Now all you need to do is scroll down and choose push notifications. This is all your TikTok notifications, your like, comments, new followers, mentions, profile views, anything you want. Turn off this option. That's mean you are not gonna receive, like, if you turn off likes notifications, you are not gonna receive notifications when some user like some of your videos or something. Or like, if you turn off comments notifications when someone comments on your videos, you're not gonna get a notifications anything. Just this is it. Hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to subscribe and like.